Ladies and gents, people of YouTube, welcome back. Another absolute beautiful day out here. Another hot one, but I took the day during the hot time to get all my computer work done and eBay and all that garbage. So that's all good. I also listed the 150 for sale, and supposedly we have somebody going to come out tomorrow and pick it up. We'll see. You know, Craigslist people. But today, this afternoonish, I'd like to do some more work on the Bultaco. Got the engine done yesterday. I had ordered the exhaust and some other parts from Spain, and it's like brand new, but it came unpainted. So while we have the heat, I figured might as well paint it, because paint loves the heat. So here is our $500 and some odd awesome Bultaco exhaust from Spain. Looks pretty good. What do you think, Uno? Does it pass the test? Oh, I think he found something. The tip here was a little bit, or is a little bit bent, but I think we can straighten that out. And up here, this is held on with springs, obviously, but these loops are perfect for running a wire to, and we're going to hang this bad boy up to paint it. Well, very happy with how the exhaust came out. Super shiny. That's what I was going for. I'm just going to let this bad boy hang overnight. Another thing I accomplished today is all this good stuff here. New old stock parts. Honda stuff, a lot of Harley stuff. Got a Screaming Eagle Go Fast box, so if you got like an FXR or an Evo, that's the good stuff. So yeah, all that stuff is on eBay, Mason George Customs. I have a little page there, whatever, store. You can buy anything. I have best offers on most of my stuff. And as long as you don't live insanely far away where shipping is going to kill me, I'll take a best offer. I'm cool with it. Not looking to marry the stuff. But yeah, very productive day. We're going to hit it again tomorrow. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.